Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to install our newly designed gusset set for the Banshee 350s. This gusset set will work with the A or J arm frame, and figured we'd show you guys where each piece goes. Once again, with our kit, everything comes nicely labeled, and we'll have a diagram, and you'll have this install video to show where each piece goes along the way. So without further ado, this is going to be piece A, and this is going to brace the steering stem to the frame, and this will go in like that. And this kit is going to be installed on a J-arm frame, so we'll show you something else later on. But this is B, this is piece B, and this gets installed right over there. Now for piece C, this is piece C. This will go between the frame and the swing arm mount, and it will get mounted at an angle like that. This is piece D, and this gets installed right over there. And again, with these pieces, due to the frames being bent over the years, you might have to grind a little bit and do some finishing up to make it fit flush. Just like every other frame is different from riding. And yeah, so you'll have to grind and adjust as needed when installing. And this is going to be piece E, and this will be installing on the rear subframe, just like that. And this will be piece F, and F will go on the front like that. And please note on the diagram, when you see two pieces, it means that there's one on opposite ends. So for F, there's two pieces, so there's one on this side and one on that side. If it says one piece or times one, it's only for that specific area of the frame. And this is G, and G is going to fit right inside like that. And this is going to be H, and H is going to fit right like that. And again, there's two H's. Now for the rear subframe, you're going to have I and J, and they each have their own specific location. So I is going to fit in the frame just like that, and J is going to fit in the frame just like that. And the gusset is notched so you can get to that mounting location right there. Now for pieces K and M, it goes on the lower portion of the frame, and there's one of each piece. And because the way the geometry of the frame is at a different angle to the opposite side, it doesn't use the same piece. So this is the front of the Banshee. So K is going to be on the left side, and M is going to be on the right side. And with K, this will be installed like so. And then for M, this piece will be installed like so. And this is piece L, and this will get fitted right inside the frame, just like that. Now this is piece N, and this is going to get welded right over there between the crossbar and the steering stopper, and it's going to brace this back piece. So that will get in the middle, and it'll get welded just like that. And that's how you install the gusset set onto a Banshee 350 with all the pieces labeled, and a quick install video. This is on a J arm. Again, it will work with a J and A arm. So yeah, guys, if you like this type of content, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep up to date on more gusset sets that we're coming out with. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy, and have yourself a good day.